everyone, streaming live from Build-A-Phone, hosted by AI Fun and DeepLearning.ai. And we are so excited to have Gary Chi from Trae joining us today. Gary is in charge of developer operation at Trae, and welcome, Gary.
Thank you. Yeah,
great to have you. Great to have you here. What a great event so far.
Yeah.
So for folks on live stream, for folks hearing about Trae for the first time, do you want to, what's the one-line promise and the aha moment a new users will get with Trae in the first 5 minutes?
First 5 minutes? Okay.
Yes. Tell us more. Tell us more about Trae.
Okay, no problem. So thank you for everyone to watching this live video. And my name is Gary, as you already mentioned. I'm currently working at Trae, and I'm the developer operation manager. I'm trying to let more people to know Trae and learn how to use it. So just in one word, what is Trae? Trae is, first of all, it's a top AI ID in the world right now. And we're really glad to announce that we actually the top 2 AID in the world. If you check the developers, we have more than several millions users in the world.
Oh, wow.
And for every month, we have more than 1 million monthly active users.
Oh, okay.
So actually, this is a pretty big amount, right?
It is.
Because a lot of people, they like to build on the Trae. Yeah, but people definitely will ask, hey, what's the differentiation between the Trae and another AI coding tool? I want to say, so first of all, what we want to build is not just an IDE. What we want to build is the real AI engineer.
Okay. A real AI engineer.
The real AI engineer. This is how the Trae names come from. T-R-A-E.
The real AI engineer.
Yes, you get it, right?
That's a good one.
Yes, a lot of people, they're asking, hey, why you call the product called Trae? It's because the real AI engineer. So basically, this is our vision. This is what we want to do. So thinking about how a real AI engineer is going to look like, they're going to understand you, right? And they can also deliver a good result to you, just like a senior mentor. So one of the aha moments that everyone going to enjoy when you're using the Trae, I would like to say Trae can cover the whole life cycle of software development.
End to end?
End to end. Basically, you can try to coding like traditional way, like VS Code. We have AI to help you. The AI agent will help you, or you can try Trae solo. So the solo is like a web coding way. You just input one prompt, and we will write all the document for you, PRD, technical document, and you will see how the code they just like flow and pop up in front of you, and then you will see we complete the debugging, testing, and deploy the code, the whole software to the version. So basically, one prompt, you got the whole software. So this is the first aha moment that everyone going to have.
It's like magic.
It's definitely like magic. It's crazy, incredible good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would highly recommend everyone to try, but currently we're invite only. So this is why.
Oh, okay. How do we get an invitation to Trae?
Oh yeah. So right now you need to have a solo code. So
a solo code?
Yeah, a specific, special code to activate this mode. So one of the reasons we designed this is because solo can deliver really good result, but it also consumes tons of token, more than much, those kind of normal coding agent. Because normally working for you is not one coding agent, it's several coding agents working at the same time. So that's incredible consume a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wish we can be public to everyone soon.
Okay. So right now you have to get invited to try Trae.
Yeah.
And the way to get invited is to go to Trae's website.
Oh yeah.
Maybe?
You can join the website to join our
folks,
waiting
you
list.
hear that? You hear that?
Remember to do it, or you can tag me, Gary, like on the Twitter.
Find Gary Chi from Trae. Okay, so the next question is, so you talk about the magic moment, aha moment of Trae.
Okay.
In your opinion, which use cases or project types does Trae shine most at today, and why?
Oh, actually, there's too many examples because
Give us one.
we just like IDE, right? Everyone they can build anything. But today I would like to highlight solo, or I highlight the team. So actually right now we see so many startup like team in the Silicon Valley, they're using Trae to deliver their product. Previously, they probably need several months, but right now they deliver product just 1 month or several weeks.
Speed.
Speed is all you need.
Speed is everything.
And
as Andrew mentioned.
Yeah,
this
as Andrew
morning.
he mentioned today, speed is all you need actually, not just attention. But attention is also important. But what I see is a lot of founder team, because they have a speed, they win a lot of attention on the product hunt and social media, and then they get a lot of investment. I know several companies they get several millions investment because they're using the Trae to build.
Okay.
So this is making me really happy. Yeah.
So pretty much you're saying that, any kind of use cases.
Oh yes,
that
definitely.
the trend, the Trae is doing really well today.
Yes.
Okay, that's
Solo
awesome.
will be extremely good at like website building, as I mentioned.
Website building.
One prompt and the whole website deployed to the person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. That's good to know. Could you walk us through, because we love like real life stories?
Oh, yeah.
Could you walk us through a favorite success story of Trae recently? From what the problem is and to what the result is and what changed for the developers and the teams.
Okay. Yeah, there are several examples. So number one, there's one product team. At the beginning, they just tried to build an MVP, but they didn't realize actually Trae can help them to, speed up the process much faster than they expect. And then they just win the number 4 on product hunt.
Okay. Oh wow.
And then what out of their expectation is, just in one day, thousands of users and go to their website. And also there are several like B2B company, enterprise try to buy their license. And this is a really good example. I was like out of my expectation. And they also join our live stream. A lot of people, they start to using their product. And then they realize, oh my God, like, we didn't realize that MVP can even get more attention because Trae helped them to build much more than they expect.
So Trae helped the team to build much faster. For one, and much more features, so that MVP is more completed. It's more complete than the team expected.
Yeah.
So that they got like thousands of attention at product hunt. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, this is one example. Another example is like a Stanford team. It's a Stanford Stop team. Student team, they build, they use Trae to build, and because we have a build on Trae program, we always want to, give visibility to those people who build on the Trae, those developers, because attention is too intense right now. And just in one day, their first post of Twitter is their launch product. They get around 150,000 views just in the first post.
Oh
and
wow.
they're getting virus, and all the social media in the internet then start to report, tell the story of them. So in total, they get around more than 10 million views in the whole social media.
Okay,
which is incredible.
Within a day?
Yeah, I mean just in probably 1 week or 2 weeks.
Okay.
But definitely
wow,
the first day,
amazing.
there's a lot of views.
Okay, wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
And so how do you describe that? How does Trae fit in a developer's daily stack? Like editor, repo, tests, CI.
Okay.
What's the smooth path to like add it right now without disrupting the existing workflow? For all the developers out there.
So
let us know what's the best way to adopt Trae.
Okay. So as I mentioned, what we want to build is the real AI engineer. So
the real AI engineer.
So imagine if you have a real workmate working with you, how the workmate going to collaborate with you?
Oh, that's a good way of looking at it. It's like you are a team and you have a new AI engineer on board. How do you work with them?
Yeah. If you got, or maybe he's already a senior engineer in the company, you're the new one. How he going to guide you and help you to onboard? So from this way, what we build just not just an editor or testing engineer or like a CI/CD engineer. We will cover the whole workflow, as I mentioned. So this is why when you use the Trae, normal Trae, it's actually an editor. It's editor. And
it's an editor.
Yeah, so it can help you to create a lot of file and write the code really fast. This is really basic. But we also allow the people to build different agents, which means you have unlimited imagination about this. You can build a QA agent. You can connect with like some testing agent using the MCP because we have a MCP marketplace. Oh my goodness, so many agents. You can connect with Slack, connect with the GitHub. Imagine you just talking with your teammate at Slack. You guys come up with good idea, and you add our agent to say, hey, just do it, and then the request will go to the Trae, and they will start working on it. One example, right? Integrated with Slack, with the Trae, with the agent MCP, and then what if I want to integrate it with more engineer, testing engineer? So this is why in the solo, we have a way more smarter AI agent can under the hood will call so many different agents will work together, parallel working together. So I know a lot of people they're using different tools to create a website easily, but sometimes they just use the model to generate the image. But we are different. We have a main agent. A main agent will control the different agent. Hey, it's time to write the product document, PRD, to write all the detail of the project, and then call a backend agent to say time to display the whole database, how to design database, how to create a database. All the information will display on just inside of a Trae. You can see it, and then you can add it. You can add it by what you want. You don't have to write the C code. You just say, hey, I don't like this table design. You need to change it. And you can also see the whole workflow, different components, how they work together. So you can see from, as I mentioned, from front end to back end, you can control it. Even you want to design a website, for example, a photograph website, we will also call a specific AI image generation video, the model, to create a good image into your website. So it will make sure the website you get is high quality and ready to use and a deployable website.
Yeah. So it's like you have an army of AI engineers joining you.
You got it.
In your team.
Yes.
And you just talk to them.
Yeah, you just
like you interact with your fellow engineers in the team.
With
Trae. So that's the Trae, the real AI engineer.
Probably we should do plus one S because real AI, a lot of real engineers.
Or the army of AI engineers.
Who say you only have one teammate? You can have so many teammates, right?
That's great. So Gary, you keep mentioning solo.
Yeah.
Do you want to maybe talk about solo, introduce solo a little bit to the audience? I'm not sure everybody knows what solo is.
Okay. So solo, actually, we will call them the first context engineer.
The first context engineer.
Actually, this is a professional word about how an AI engineer can or how an AI agent can have more permission, has more context, can performance better. Because right now, so the reason you can see a lot of AI coding agents, they can do a good job is because they have a better context.
That's right.
A longer context. And also more permission to control different tools. So what we want to do is actually, previously, if people they use the editor, it's basically still is the human leader development. And every time your AI agent wants to download some package, they will ask permission. But in the solo, why is it called solo? You just let the AI agent do everything.
So it's the AI agent flying solo.
Not just one.
Not the human. The AI engineers flying solo.
Yeah, and at this time, solo means from now on, AI will start to leading the whole software development, which means more permission, more tools. And human for human, the more thing is the more task is to watching, to guide the AI. So this is why when you try solo, what you need to do is tell solo what you want and write the prompt. You will see how code is generation. It's just like water, like waterfall, like flow. You can see, cannot believe how incredible fast.
Oh wow,
that's amazing. I feel like definitely it's more than 20 times faster than
20 times faster.
And you can also see the website just like popping up. The more amazing thing is, for example, right now you realize there's one component you don't like it. What do you need to do right now? What are you going to do? You will just type, hey, I don't like this title. Can you change it?
Right.
But in Solo, you can directly react. You can click this button. You can click this component, and then you can tell Solo, change it.
Okay.
Change the color.
You don't even need to say much.
Oh, we also has the voice
There you
feature.
go.
You can just directly use the voice to control or to tell you Solo mate.
Just talk to Solo.
Talk
You
to
don't
Solo.
have to even move your fingers. Is that
Yes.
what you're saying?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
that's-
even don't need to type. This is the future, what we
Okay,
believe.
okay.
And then complete the design, deploy, share with your friend. So basically Solo is just complete whole website, whole software for you. Normally speaking, another IDE focus on generate code, but Solo focus on generate software.
I like that one line.
Yeah.
The other IDEs generate code, but
Yeah.
Solo generates software.
Software.
I like that one. That's a great line.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna, my next question was gonna be there, so many coding assistants out there. What's the differentiation of Trae? But you got it right there. You answered
there's
it.
another thing I want to say.
Okay,
is-
please do.
So the more important thing is some people they will use another, non-technical or maybe the local website, like just one prompt, get a code and put into the IDE to write the code. But why you need to do this? So this is why we allowed people just in the Trae. There's two modes. You just click the button, you can switch. So basically, one money, two
Okay.
product.
Okay. Well, that sounds very exciting. Awesome. Okay. That's all very exciting. So onboarding, I want to talk about onboarding a little bit. If like a developer, if I want value today, what
Okay.
are the few steps to get from install to first win?
First win. That's a good question. Since we got so many features, we will. So number one, join our waiting list. Get a
That's
Solo
right.
code.
Get an invitation first.
Try Solo. Trust me. Try Solo. And then, even for me, every week we have a lot of iteration. Our technical team
I believe.
build
I can
Trae
imagine.
so fast. The thing is, we use Trae to iterate Trae. That's why it's so fast, right? So every week I will find a lot of aha moment. But aha moment is like you tell one prompt, you see how the Solo going to complete a whole deployable website to you, and then you can just use it in probably several minutes. That moment, I promise you, you will feel like you're Superman. You're super engineer.
Super engineer.
You will feel you're more than yourself. This is the aha moment.
Yeah, the aha moment, your first win, and you can then take it from there to continue evolving, iterating your product super fast. That's
fast.
what Trae's promising our
Super.
developers
build
out
really
there.
fast and iterate really fast, and then much more powerful.
So, Gary, we talk about a lot of like awesome features that Trae has. Is there a few? Are there a few features that you feel people underrate in Trae? Because we do want, they're like the star features that everybody pays attention to.
Okay.
But are there some features that, in your opinion, are like super powerful? However, people kind of underrate at the moment.
Oh yeah, we have a specific capabilities. You can customize your own agent.
Okay.
Basically, you can write your own prompt. You can add your own tools, right? So a lot of people they just write some prompt. That's it. But actually, the real magic is you connect with MCP.
I'm sorry, what?
Connect with MCP. I got one friend. His company is called TestSprite, and what he's doing is he created MCP that can help AI coding to do QA testing. So for example, like web coding, you write so much code, but can you make sure the website is literally like it's workable? It's really good design, the color is right, the font is, the size is right. It's not.
Like browser compatible and all that.
Yeah, but and also like for AI, what they can do is they just check the code. But the things like for human, they not watching code, they watching the website. So this is why they using a vision model So basically, when you run in your code, right? So it will call their MCP, and then the code base will also try to running in the cloud, in their cloud, in a private space, and then they will have a model like a real QA testing AI engineer or the engineer to see the website,
Using the vision model.
use the vision model, and then tell and write a summary, give a lot of feedback, give back to the Trae. And then after this kind of suggestion, then you will see like the Trae will just iterate the whole software much better. So by the data shows actually it decrease a lot of, the bug, and also make the software looks way more better if you just compare with the web coding.
So Trae is not only the true AI engineers, it's also the true QA.
So basically QA is just one use case. The thing is like, even for Trae, if our engineer is not good enough or there's some capability we are not cover, you can collaborate with another AI agent. QA agent is one example. What if we work with CI/CD agent, work with backend agent,
That's right.
work with so many different agents?
Okay. So basically, the possibilities are unlimited.
It's unlimited. A lot of people, they still not discover yet. But this is definitely really good things about
Great.
the DIY agent. I would like to say.
DIY agent.
Yeah, you can say DIY. Right?
Build your own agent.
Build your own one or connect with another one.
That's wonderful. So in terms of community, is there a community being built for Trae where developers can go for supports or to partner with Trae?
Oh yes, for sure. So first of all, I'm basically kind of like the community manager.
That's
so
right.
in the worldwide, we have our fellow program. We right now we are like recruiting so many different fellow from different countries. So because they also want to let their city, let their people, let their classmates to know the power of AI coding. So in that case, we will help them to host different events in the different city in the worldwide. So fellow program is one thing that people can work with us. And also we have a really big activity community. In the Discord, we have around 50,000 users. So every day it's like so many people they're talking with them and share what they build and share this is my agent, this is my product, this is my tips how to use Trae. And another community is the Reddit. So Reddit, we are the top 50 AI Reddit in the world right now.
Oh wow!
Just because of Solo. You cannot imagine. We launched our Solo, just in 1 week, our Reddit followers from 1.5 thousand and jumped to 10,000 in 1 week.
In 1 week.
1 week. And then we directly became the top 50 in the world right now.
Oh, that is amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So
thank you.
People can always talk to me or find us in the Reddit, Twitter, Discord. We have so many programs. No matter it's the fellow program to host the event, or you build something cool, you want let us to help you to boost your visibility. Like if you're a founder, we do this.
Right, because you have a huge community.
We have a huge community, and also another thing is like thinking about if the productivity improve, what is going to happen? Attention going to be more, expensive. So I believe there are more products, but this product they're doing a really good job. But the issue is nobody knows them.
How do you grab users' attention?
How
That's
to grab
the
the
key
user.
now.
Yeah, especially those really great products. And what we're doing is we help you to get more visibility in the whole world. And maybe sometimes we even help them to raise the money.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we also help them to raise the money.
Yeah, that's what every team needs.
Oh yeah.
That is great. So tell us what's next for Trae. What's your vision? Biggest milestone coming up soon. Do you want to give us some teaser?
Yeah. So as we mentioned, we already the top 2 AID in the world right now. Why not become number 1?
Definitely. Why not?
Why not? So of course we will keep improve our performance, no matter it's the tab, no matter it's the accuracy, the context window of our product, and also another thing is we will make Solo much more powerful, way more powerful. We believe this is the future way how people they build, and we want not just let a developer to build in the world, but let everyone can enjoy the power of AI. Everyone can become a product manager or even a founder.
Are there specific features that you have in the roadmap to make Trae number one down the road?
Oh, solo is really big feature.
Okay.
We will
it's a big
definitely we will add more tool. Recently we add Figma. So thinking about
Figma.
you can just complete a Figma design and inside of Trae, and then say, hey Solo, buddy, help me to build it, and we just complete everything. So this time is Figma, and the next time we are going to have more integration. So and also Supabase is a database, so people they can connect with their own database. But what about for the enterprise? For enterprise will be our next step.
Okay.
We will support more enterprise company and also going to have Trae enterprise version.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Gary.
problem.
And for audience at the live stream, do check out Trae and get your invitation or reach out to Gary Chi that he is in charge of developer operation at Trae, and try it out. It sounds really awesome. Thank you so much. This is Jill from AI Fun.
Thank you so much for everyone. See you.
Bye.
Bye.